5, 6, 7, 8.
If you're wondering how I'm doing since we called it quits, well, I guess you could say my life's been a pits. I wish I had back all the times you asked me how I felt. I couldn't tell you then, oh, but I sure can now. I cry when I hear our song. I cry when our favorite movie comes on. Well, I cry every night myself to sleep. Oh, but most of all I cry we don't sleep. When I think of all the dreams we had and how our kids would be all grown, I remain stuck in time and I'm all alone. I wish I could feel after all these years proud of all I've done. Well, I'll give it all away to talk with you. Now you're gone. I cry when I hear our song. I cry when our favorite movie comes on. I cry every night myself to sleep. Oh, but most of all I cry 'cause we don't sleep. I cry every night myself to sleep. Oh, but most of all I cry 'cause we don't sleep.
This dance is called I Cry Every Night. It's a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Step forward right, step forward left. Anchor step. Step right, behind left ankle. Rock forward onto left. Recover onto right. Back lock steps. Left foot, back lock, back. Right, back rock, recover. Section 2, shuffle half turn left on right, left, right, facing 6. Left, rock back, recover onto right. Shuffle half turn right on left, right, left, facing 12. Right foot, rock back, recover. Section 3, right, side rock, recover. Sailor step, right foot, behind, left to left side, right to right side. Left sailor steps, behind, side, side. Right, back, rock. section. 4, right foot, cross, rock, shuffle, quarter, right turn. On right, left, right, facing 3. Shuffle half turn right, on left, right, left, facing 9. Right foot, rock back, recover onto left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. There's no tags, no restarts in this dance.